Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Anjanette Miranda. I'm 23 years old. I'm high school graduate. I have one daughter. My working experience is here in the Philippines.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, you work here as a domestic helper?
Yes.
When did you start working?
On April 15, 2012 until April 15, 2014.
And how many family members they have?
3. My madam, sir, and 1 child.
How old is their child?
3 years old.
Tell me your duties.
My duties are cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, washing, ironing clothes, and take care of the children.
The child?
The child.
Okay. So, Anjanette, you said that you're a single mom and you have one daughter, right?
Yes, sir.
How old is your daughter?
4 years old.
And who's going to take care of your daughter when you work in Hong Kong?
My parent will take care of my daughter while I'm working in Hong Kong.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to supporting my family and my daughter.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir, I'm willing.
Are you scared of big dogs?
No, I'm not scared.
Okay, can you sing one children's song for us?
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eye, ear, mouth and nose.
Okay, and what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me, and I promise I do my best to do my job for you to satisfy in my service. And I'll promise I'm hardworking and trustworthy.
Thank you very much, Miss Anjanette Miranda, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.